So what's going on with the market? All the stock has been squeezing went down like Vroom. We have RDBX, we have BBIG. However, there's one stock is going crazy up almost 200%. So let's get right to it because the name of the game, this is what's happening. People jump from one stock to the others. Redditors, by people I mean Redditors, okay? Because this stock is heavily talked about right now on Reddit. Let's see if there's another jump for it and we have an entry point so we could make some profit. That's why we're here. We try to make some profit. So let's get right to it, discuss this stock, the trend of the market, and discuss the other stock, like 4 stocks visiting important support. So let's get right to it and start with ALNA. So this pharmaceutical stock went crazy up, and you see it the moment that we gapped over this resistance, the 0.19 jumped to 100%. Why? Okay, this will be a great question to ask because it's kind of fundamental. So shares of ALNA Pharmaceutical have nearly doubled in the pre-market trading after it said late Tuesday that it terminated its at-the-market sales agreement for its common shares with B. Riley Security. So after this news yesterday, after the market close, we saw the pre-market today went crazy up on those news. So what we suggest, if we go in the technical, we see that we break out from the bearish trend that we have been doing since last July 2021. This trending channel just broke out today. So today we have confirmed support above the 0.20, above the yellow line. See it clearly, this is the support, and the resistance is around this box. Why? Here we're gonna have a massive volatility and the short seller will come between the 0.53 and the 0.77. So I suggest taking profit around this area if we're still holding above this technical support, above this exhibition average and above the 0.20. This will confirm everything if we are ready to continue to go up in this current condition of the market. See, everything is red, so I'll be extra careful for this one because this will be volatile. We already have a pullback. You see, the pullback happened because we near this resistance, the 0.53. So I would put it on my list. Any price holding above this support, we're gonna have a price test near this box. Next up, we have Gartner, ticker symbol IT. So this one has been trending down since we hit all-time high around the 365. It's really kind of funny because the days of the year, we hit the days of the year and the price went down for our stock. And if you see it, we've been in strong bullish trend after COVID from the 70 until the 300. So we did nice uptrend, almost 400%. So what we suggest for this one, there's a nice bottom that will be visited pretty soon for this one, which is above the 200 mark. If we hold this support, we're gonna see a recovery and a reversal pretty soon in this channel. You see, we're gonna have a breakout and hold above the 340. This will be a nice play to watch out for right now. At the moment, I think we testing and breaking this support. You see, if we break it by today or tomorrow, when we go below, this will confirm the continuation for the price toward the 200. And next time we overcome the 240, we're gonna enter again in a bullish trend after this reversal that happened around last October last year. Next up, we have RDBX. Of course, RDBX is starting to go down since we broke this ascending line. The price getting near the $5.38, the support that we talked about before. We said we're gonna have the price test this support if we didn't hold the $9, and that's what happened. So at the moment, the price is continuing to go down. You know why? Because the volume is crazy. What's happening here? Look what's happening. If you remember, if you're early for RDBX, you know before the price squeeze around the 17, we have the volume around the 21 million. And guess what? Volume continued to go down since then. And if you remember, last video we did, it was around 5 million, now 1.800 million. This is really crazy drop in volume. So be extra careful because volume is like water and oxygen for any stock. We need volatility. We need big buying pressure to have the squeeze. However, the price going down. So we suggest we need to hold and accumulate and finding volume above the $5.38 because this will be a turning point for RDBX. If we don't hold this level, will conform a sell-off. If we hold, is mean it's just matter of time, and we're gonna have a retest for the $9 first, of course. Then the confirmation for volatility and squeeze is overcome the $9 and holding to go around the 17 again. Next up, we have XELA. We have a lot of people talk about XELA, even here on the list. You see it that XELA is on the short squeeze list, jumped almost 60 places up. So we have a lot of people on Reddit talk about XELA. You know why? Because XELA just went 8% down and marked a new bottom, which is a new price low. Last time we were around the 0.12. At the moment is 0.1225. We're going toward the 0.11 cents. What happened? Because we have a price rejected, of course, near the 0.26, went down and didn't hold above this ascending line. We talked about this ascending line. We said we need to hold. We didn't hold it. So what we have to see right now after this breaking for the price, we gonna have a test for the 0.1345. So be careful. If we get rejected again, it means the price will continue to go down to find a new bottom for XELA. So the 0.1345 is the resistance. The 0.1530 will be marking for another jump for XELA around the 0.26. If we go to the SPY and see what's going on, because the market is going down, we see the SPY is visiting important support, which is the 380. We said 380 should hold. Today we are around the 379. So today we need to close above the 380 to confirm doing higher lows for the SPY and testing again the 400 mark, which is the mark for the reversible hold the market. At the moment is risky because if we don't hold, it means we're gonna have the price go again around the 356, which is a new low for the SPY. So just be careful. We need to hold this level to confirm reversal. Otherwise, we'll continue to go down for the market. Apple as well, still holding. You see, the 136, we said we need to hold it. The same as for the SPY for Apple, have the same reaction as for the SPY. A confirmed support, if we held above the 136, we're going to retest around the 150. For the SPY as well, you see, we have a test for this support to confirm doing higher lows. You see, this is the lower price that we did around the 23rd of June, and this one is around the 5th of July. So we need to have the price, or not the 5th of July, but here around the 29th of June. So we need to confirm doing higher lows in order for the market to go higher. So Apple is doing the same reaction as for the SPY. If we held, we're gonna have the price around the 100. If we don't hold as for the SPY as well, we're gonna have the price bottom down around the 117 for Apple. And if you want to load up on Apple when we visit this support, you can actually win a free share of Apple with Momo with my exclusive link in comment section below. And you have 13 hours to get your free share of Apple. At the moment, there's a summer exclusive, so you can get 10 free stock, and those stock that you could win: Fuel Cell Energy, AMC, Apple, Tesla, and Google. And this is a limited time offer that extended because it should end tomorrow. However, is extended until the end of July with my exclusive link. And how you could get free stocks is easy. You can open a brokerage account with Momo, and the second thing, you deposit $100 or more in order to get one free stock value between the $8 up to 2,500. So use this opportunity and get your free share of Apple with my link in the comment section below, or notification will pop up here, will take you directly to open your account, and of course you get $3 when you open. You just go back and check the other stocks that we're gonna discuss, which is Boxed. A lot of people ask me about it because we have a massive jump down. You see this big volatility from the $6 until the $1, and a lot of people on Reddit talk about the squeeze because the price was before around the 15 and now around the 1. Last time we tested the $3 and we said this is a rejection or resistant area, so be careful. That's why we got rejected and the price went down. At the moment, testing important support, which is the $1.87. You see what's happening? We have a small candle, so we have slowing in selling pressure because we're getting near important support. If we held this support, accumulating your price before retest the $3 and going higher next time for the $4.80. So this is a reaction that we want to see for this stock. If we have the price go below around the $1.62 when closing here, this means we're gonna see lower lows, maybe even below the $1. So be careful. This should be the bottom to confirm another jump toward the $3 and then the $4.80. Hopefully that was clear and informative. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and see you in the next video.